Whoa, look at the performance. Look at that performance on that. It's not choppy whatsoever. It's really fast. My friends, today we're here. We've got an Apple TV 4K and I wanted to show you how good it streams and mirrors your TV from your laptop. Yeah, even at 720p, this is AC Wi-Fi, it's still very choppy. So this is a Mac, and this is a TV. In this episode, we're gonna be showing you AirPlay 2. We got an Apple 4K TV box over here, and we're gonna be showing you how fast or slow trying to stream your Mac onto your TV is. And spoiler alert, even though this is the 4K edition, and we're using AC Wi-Fi, it runs slower than Chromecast. What? Yeah, even at 720p, this is AC Wi-Fi, it's still very choppy. And just to give you some sort of comparison, I've got an old Chromecast, which I've been hating on because it started slowing down recently. What? Yeah, now one's actually smooth as silk. What? It's not like a delayed and then continuous nice motion. It's like, oh, and this is AirPlaying from a Mac onto a TV, and this is a good Mac. It's an i7 2016 with Intel Iris graphics. It's not shabby yet. Look at this, look at this. I'm gonna play. Look that is, look how choppy that is.
Oh, it's really bad.
This is 720p performance.
This Travalo Bluetooth. Alright, we're here at the beach and we're gonna be testing out this Travalo Bluetooth speaker.
Very choppy. Now, let's try 1080p. And it's even more choppy now. Try moving the mouse. It's pretty much unusable. So, I don't mind that it's slightly delayed. But what I do mind is that it's choppy. You can see that it's not smooth. It's very choppy. Whereas on Chromecast, there'd be a delay, but it wouldn't be so choppy. Anyway, if you don't believe me, tell me what I'm doing wrong. I tried 720p, I tried 1080p, I tried 4K, and unfortunately nothing worked. My friends, look at this. This is the 4K Apple TV, and it sports HDR, 32 gigabytes, because I figured, why do you need more? And we're gonna be testing out how well it does AirPlay in 2019. Now, originally when I tested out the Apple TV a few years ago, AirPlaying was a bit laggy, especially when streaming from your computer. You couldn't really mirror your display without it plugging up every now and then. However, since then, there's been loads of updates on tvOS, iOS, macOS, and all that kind of stuff. And of course, this edition is the 4K version. I looked on YouTube to see if there was any performance of AirPlaying your Mac to the screen, and I couldn't find any, so I figured I'd show you just that. Now look at this beautiful brick and my beautiful face. Hello, camera. It's this looks like a tiny version of the new Mac Mini, and for reference, this is what a Mac Mini looks like, and this is what the Apple TV, the little babies. All right, so let's unwrap this beauty. Look at that. Whew, whew. Oh my God. Excuse my Christmas decorations for now, but let's go into HDMI 3. And boom, Apple TV is running. And that little fella right over there next to Santa Claus and my boys are gonna be set up for AirPlay. So this is also a touch button. You tap on this to continue and you swipe up and down. Australia, continue. All right. I've been playing around with two different remotes, so I'm a bit confused, but basically it's set up. So let's go on my laptop over here. Straight away, there's an AirPlay icon on my laptop and it says AirPlay to living room. And there should be a code on the screen. 1639, done. All right. All right, it's definitely laggy. It's, look how choppy that is. It's unacceptable, really. So, for the record, I did also try updating to the latest software and switching to 1080p on the TV, not 4K HDR, but it was still very laggy. Try moving the mouse. It's pretty much unusable. And the shocking thing is, AirPlaying from your Mac to your TV only does it at 1080p. So even though I've got a 4K HDR TV with a 4K Apple TV, let's go into the menu and let's make it 4K HDR. Yeah, let's do it. 4K HDR. Yes, my TV can do it. It's got a little HDR icon on the top. Let's see how bad this cookie crumbles. So we need to cast it again. Living room. But now, my friends, I'm gonna go all out. Best for living room. Best for living room. Oh, you can only cast it 1080p if you're mirroring. So I'm gonna get rid of the mirror effect. And I'm gonna make this TV display, I'm gonna make it default. And that is still only 1080p. So you can only AirPlay 1080p. So even though you've got a 4K Apple TV, you can only AirPlay 1080p.
Damn you, Apple! Well, how dare you? How dare you?
It will only let you cast it at 1080p. Alright, my friends. It's time for us to say arrivederci and send Apple TV back to the Mac.
Get back in the box, Apple TV. We don't want you anymore.
I'm gonna see if this does a better job. By the way, we got a $4 off. We got $5 off this Chromecast just by asking them for a discount. You gotta love Australia. That's all I had, babe. That's all I had. I'm done. Subscribe, like.